we're gonna do a walkthrough with the Woody Kilo Charlie 1 Victor Oscar Papa on how to go to the PoLo doc site and make an edit to the documentation and submit it so that we can incorporate it on the real site. And
Yeah.
we manage all of that with a service called GitHub, and that's what you see on your screen right now. And we use that to produce the polo.ham2k website, and that's the files you see there in the middle of the screen are what build the website. I don't know if you want to show. There's some information there on how to contribute. You can read those instructions at the bottom.
Yeah.
But let's just go. Let's go to the website itself.
Got it right here.
Yeah, let's go to Polo.
I think I might need to actually.
You might need to share the other tab.
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
Yep.
I'm just gonna share the window. Can you see that?
Yeah. Here we go. So that's the site. Let's say you go into the read-define manual, and in fact, there's Polo features. Let's add something about stacking to this page. Well, let's do something easier, like tips and tricks. Let's just a simple edit. So this page, actually, if you look on the right side,
yeah,
there's a bunch of links that say view page source, edit this page. So if you click on edit this page, it'll ask you for a GitHub account.
Yeah.
So the very first thing you need to do is you have to create a GitHub account. If you're a developer, you probably have one already. If you're a mogul, a mere mortal, you'll have to learn how to sign up on a website. But it's not complicated.
So I'll just create one here that I won't use in the future. So
because you already have your own.
Yeah, I already have my own
this
personal account. So I'm just doing this for the video for YouTube. Let's see. He wants a different password.
Yeah, that password's gone.
There we go.
And I think you're going to have to go to your email to verify. Visual puzzle. Fun.
Oh, that's a new one.
Yeah.
Use the arrows and rotate the object to face. Oh my god. I guess like this?
No, I think you went. No.
Oh, got it. No.
This one. Yeah. No.
Yeah. I think I get it.
There, I think that's.
Oh, okay.
No, you went too far. Yeah.
Here.
There we go. Man, and bots can do this already, so I don't know why.
Yes.
Why we bother?
All right, so I just gotta get
to confirm.
Email, which I can do from my phone. Cool. And so now it'll just ask me to log in again. So that'll be the email that the email or username. So
yeah.
There we go. I remembered the password. It's always good.
And here's the first thing you'll see is that when you want to modify something in GitHub, because you're not part of the official Polo team, it'll ask you to fork the repository. And those are both like new words. The repository is basically the set of folders and files that define the docs website. And you can see the name on the top left. It says ham2k is the organization and polo.ham2k.com is the repository. And then the forking means making your own private copy. So go ahead and fork the repository. And now Woody has an entire copy of the website on his GitHub account.
Yeah.
And it opened the file that we're talking about.
Yep.
I don't know if you want to make like a quick change or something.
Sure.
To,
So
you can put, if you want, you can do something just before start data entry, a smart data entry, and create one for call stacking.
got it.
And you can see that the format is a little bit odd in the sense that it uses those asterisk and the pound signs for for headlines. That's called Markdown, and it's something that's used in a lot of tech lately, and you can even use it inside of Telegram or WhatsApp. But you can basically just look at how it's used in the page and guess how you can do your own.
Yeah, exactly. For example,
it's not really hard to.
I'm assuming when you have this 20 here, does that like little code block? Yeah,
It shows it like in a different font to convey that it's kind of like a special symbol or code.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put in here dot or sorry slash or.
But remember to put this the tilde
like
quote.
Oh, sorry, quotes instead of tilde. Sorry.
It's okay if you get it wrong, because I can fix it later. It's like the you don't need to get it right. I'll point that out, or I'll even tell you, hey, you got this wrong. Can you fix it and submit again your changes? We can leave it just with that. Might be enough to show how the process works.
For sure.
And just save the changes.
So yeah, to save it, you would click this green commit changes button
on the top
right hand corner.
Let me get the PoLo logo out of the way.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, no, I took the wrong thing out of the way. Where's your screen go? Here's your screen. How do you get this? Oh, I got it here. There we go. So the commit changes on the top right. You put some description as to what you added. That's useful for me to figure out what change you're sending me when I'm reviewing it. And you click propose changes. And it will describe what are the changes you're proposing, on which files, etc. And you can click on the create pull request. You can add more information there explaining what is it that you're doing. And you click on the
create pull request.
Create pull request. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now, when that happens, I get a notification. I'm going to take over the screen now.
Sure.
I'm going to show what it looks on my side of things. When that happens, I get, first thing I get is a notification in Discord in the PoLo development channel. And this is public channel, everybody can see it, that says, first, that Woody created a fork. And that tells me, oh, Woody's might be doing something about the app. And then he opened a pull request. And I say, oh, great. I click on that. Let me share a different window now. And I get a notification on GitHub that says, Woody updated the tips and trick file. He says, added info for stacking in tips and tricks. Files change it. I can take a look at what he changed. Oh, I see he made a typo. I can actually edit the file, fix the typo. Not introduce a new typo. and I can commit the changes to the branch, return to the pull request. I can tell Woody that I like what he did. I can accept and approve the changes. I can end up merging those on the website, and it's done. Now it's part of the official website. And if I go to polo.ham2k, if I go right now, it probably will not be here yet. Smart data entry, yeah. But in the next 10 seconds or so, it should update directly on the website.
Because you're using GitHub pages to do this, yeah?
I'm not GitHub pages. I use Hugo on a different service, but it's similar to GitHub pages to polish the website.
Cool.
And so this edit this page button on the top right will take you to the right page to make these edits this way. Yep. And let me see, still hasn't uploaded. Well, we'll come back to it. Another thing that you can do is on GitHub. This is a source code for PoLo, and you might not know it, but if you go down here into extensions, contest QP, these are, for example, all the QSO parties. Yep. And we need your help to fill them up because there are a lot of them, and we need to figure out how to enter all of the data. And if I see that KY Kentucky says this, is because it's empty and there's no data there. If you look at another one, like, for example, Florida, you'll see that it has a lot more data. The main thing you can help with is entering counties, because it's a pain to type all those county names for all of those QSO parties. And a lot of the websites and documentation sites for the QSO parties don't make it easy to copy paste those names, because they try to help by putting them on tables with like multi-columns so you can print it easily, but it's a pain to convert into code. So if you want to help with PoLo right now, come help enter the QSO party information. Now, I strongly suggest that if you want to do that, you join the Discord. See, it updated.
Oh, there you go.
You join the Discord, and on the homepage of polo.ham2k.com, there's links to our forums and our Discord. But if you want to be involved in helping with those QSO parties, come to the Discord so we can coordinate, so we don't have two people editing the same state at the same time and wasting efforts. That would be fantastic if you want to join us and help us this way. And who knows, that this way you'll learn a little bit how PoLo works, and you can help in more things once we start adding more contests, more types of activities, help with the documentation, information, all of that. We need you. We need your help, and we'll guide you. We'll take you by the hand, and we'll help you deal with all of these steps so you can do it yourself.